If you're getting ready to take the Florida Window and Door Installation Contractor exam and you want to pass it on your first try, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down what this license actually covers, the exact reference books you're allowed to use, key strategies to avoid common mistakes, and how to study smarter, not longer. Both exams are open book, but don't let that fool you. Most people fail because they don't know how to use their books efficiently, so let's fix that. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the Florida Window and Door Installation Contractor exam, stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Florida prep materials towards the end of the short video. The Florida Window and Door Installation Contractor's license is focused on exterior openings, not structural work. Here's what that actually means on the job. It's going to include window and door installation, hurricane protection and shutters, and repair and hardware service. The project scope is a statewide license issued through the Florida DVPR Construction Industry Licensing Board. One important boundary: this license does not cover structural changes. The one exception is the replacement of window bucks in a retrofit installation. To get licensed, you have to pass two separate exams. You're first probably going to take the Business of Finance exam, which is 120 questions in 6.5 hours. That's going to cover establishing the business, administrative duties, trade operations, accounting, human resources, and government regulations. Next, you'll take the Window and Door Trade exam, 55 questions in 2.5 hours. That's going to cover installation methods, hurricane protection, impact requirements, manufacturer specifications, and the limits of a license's scope. Both exams are open book and computer-based, administered through Pearson VUE testing centers. You need a 70% passing score on each exam, and they can be taken in any order. Notice the trade exam here is shorter than a lot of other CILB trades, 55 questions in 2.5 hours instead of 80 in 5. That's still a tight pace, so don't assume the shorter exams mean more time per question. For the trade exam, here are the three of the references you'll lean on most: the OSHA 29 CFR, the Walker's Builder's Estimated Reference Book, and the Florida Building Code Building Volume. These three carry most of the exam's weight, but the full reference list also includes the Florida Building Code, Residential, and Window Energy Performance Guide. The books can be tabbed and highlighted with permanent tabs. The Business and Finance exam is going to have its own separate set of books. What's the #1 reason contractors fail? It's not a lack of knowledge, it's no exam strategy. Most candidates know the trade, they fail because they don't know how to navigate their books fast under time pressure. Here's how to study the right way. You're going to want to have tabbed and highlighted books. You're going to have realistic practice questions in a simulated format and a time study routine. If your exam is coming up, practice under real-time pressure and train your hands to find answers automatically. That's how first-time passers study. No two contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget for your Florida Window and Doors contractor prep. The online course is going to walk you through every exam topic step by step. The book set includes the official reference materials approved for the exam. The highlight and tab book set, your books arrive professionally highlighted and tabbed ready for the exam. The book rental is going to give you the professionally highlighted and tabbed books with the online course, and you'll be able to return those books and get a deposit refund. The ultimate package gives you the professionally highlighted and tabbed books, the online course, any recorded classes, and live training. And we're going to do the application with the state for you. And finally, the one package, we're going to do everything that we just talked about, plus we're going to set your business up for you too. Use code FL10WD at checkout for 10% off any of these packages at oneexamprep.com. If you set up your prep correctly and trained for speed, passing the Florida Window and Doors Contractor exam on the first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practice support, and a proven system to get through both exams faster, check out One Exam Prep resources below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.